Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to create a routine on the Amazon Alexa application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that, you should tap on the More button down below, which is in the right side corner of the screen, and click on Routines in this first column. Then tap on the plus icon and tap on the Enter Routine Name button, and then you should enter the name of your routine. After that, click on the button next at the top. Tap on when this happens, so you should either tap on the voice button and type in the phrase you want to set as a routine instruction phrase. So if you say this phrase to Alexa, it will remind you of this routine. Then tap on the next button. Here you should select the action button. You have a bunch of options here, such as smart home, Alexa says, audible, calendar, calling, date and time, device setting, Fire TV, IFTTT, music podcast, news, notifications, send announcements, skills, sounds, traffic, weight or weather. So tap on, I'm going to tap on notifications, so you are going to get a notification message. For example, don't forget your workout. And after typing in, click on the next button and it will be set. If you tap on the next button, click on save and your new routine will be added. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.